Understanding the closet rod, a practical guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a very common household item, the closet rod. Whether you're setting up a new home or just curious about English vocabulary, this video will shed light on what a closet rod is and its uses. So, let's dive in and explore together. The closet rod is a horizontal bar in a closet on which you hang your clothes. Typically, it's made of metal or wood and spans the width of the closet, allowing hangers to slide across easily. It's a simple yet essential component in organizing clothing. Interestingly, the closet rod can go by many names such as clothes rod, hanging rod, or wardrobe bar. These terms are interchangeable, but they all refer to the same functional bar in your closet. Installing a closet rod is straightforward. You'll need a rod, brackets to support the rod, and screws to secure the brackets. It's important to ensure that the rod is level and firmly attached to the closet walls. Proper installation is key to holding the weight of your clothes. Taking care of your closet rod is easy. Keep it clean from dust, and if it's made of wood, occasionally treat it with wood polish. For metal rods, checking for any signs of rust and addressing them with appropriate rust-proofing products is advisable. We hope this video has been informative and has helped clarify what a closet rod is all about. Remember, no matter the size of your closet, a well-installed and maintained closet rod can make organizing your clothes a breeze. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful tips in our next video.